Have you noticed how riddled with fear our country is lately? We've never been more afraid. I'm concerned about that because when a society is afraid, people with a wrong kind of motive can take advantage of that society and make them become something that they're not. There's a lot of fear right now in the United States of America, and the most fearful Americans are the Americans that are buried deep in the middle of this country with no passports. This is a concern. Fear is for people who don't get out much. The flip side of fear is understanding, and we gain understanding when we travel. I think it's important for our very democracy. It's important for our stability that we get out there, we travel, and we gain an empathy for the other 96% of humanity. Now, did you remember in the old days, people used to say, bon voyage? When was the last time you heard somebody say bon voyage? We don't say that anymore. What do we say? Have a safe trip. We'll pray for you. Do you think it's a good idea to be going over there considering all that's happening? Have a safe trip. When somebody tells me have a safe trip, I'm inclined to say, well, you have a safe stay at home. Because where I'm going, if you understand the statistics, and I know statistics are optional these days, but if you understand the statistics, where I'm going is safer than where you're staying. This is critical that we get out there, we get a grip, we don't confuse fear and risk, and we learn how to play ball with the rest of the world.